This video demonstrates XLReporter for water and wastewater treatment applications. Let's start by talking about water treatment. There are several reasons why XLReporter is ideal for water treatment reporting. First, it can be implemented in facilities of any size, for example, a small town plant where it collects data directly from a PLC, as well as larger, more complex facilities that are logging large volumes of data to databases or industrial historians. Its foundation in Excel helps in generating both regulatory and operational reports, even working directly with government-issued workbook forms, such as these examples from Colorado, Connecticut, and Texas. For operational reports, XLReporter provides great design flexibility. This annual production report was created by designing a custom layout in Excel and then using XLReporter to collect the values of PLC flow meters at the end of each day. Now let's take a look at XLReporter's Industrial Excel engine, which combines the best features of Excel with automatic data collection from live values, process history, and even manual entry. In this example, I've imported a workbook into XLReporter directly from the Massachusetts Department of Environmental Protection. It contains several different worksheet forms that altogether determine the compliance of the treatment system. For example, this CT determination form, which records information such as the peak hourly flow rate over each day of the month, the disinfectant concentration and contact time, as well as the water pH and temperature. This individual filter monitoring sheet contains information like the max daily turbidity for each filter, as well as the max turbidity after 4 hours of continuous operation. For each chemical manually added during the treatment process, a separate form is required containing information such as the amount of water treated per day, the volume of the chemical used, the dosage concentration, and the residual concentration. Ultimately, regulatory reporting requires a combination of process and manually entered data, derived calculations, and displaying the data in challenging non-tabular formats. XLReporter combines the flexibility of Excel with its own powerful automated data collection engine to handle the entire process with ease. For operational reports, custom templates can be designed in Excel, then used to generate reports either automatically like this or on demand. Now let's turn our attention to wastewater treatment. Many of the points we mentioned about water treatment also apply to reporting for wastewater. For example, XLReporter's ability to generate regulatory reports like DMR and MOR directly onto government forms, even though the layout of those forms changes from state to state. However, with wastewater, much of the required data isn't available directly from the process and must be entered manually. XLReporter can merge both process and manual entry data into reports so it fits seamlessly into any wastewater operation. While we're on this topic, let's take a moment to discuss XLReporter's manual data entry system. Just like with reports, form templates are designed in Excel. Cells in the worksheet are linked to a database so data can be entered securely, remotely over a network, or even using a tablet outside the network area, for example when taking readings and samples out in the field. XLReporter provides all the tools necessary to create a custom data entry system with no advanced knowledge of databases. First, create a layout in Excel. Then, create a database table and entry columns. Next, just map cells in the worksheet to the columns in the database. Then enforce data integrity with concepts like drop-down lists and value constraints. When it comes time to enter data, the Entry Forms application can be launched from the desktop where XLReporter is installed, or from a client, PC, or tablet with Team Edition. The entry date is selected using a calendar control. Here we can see that operator name is a required field and is selected from a drop-down list. I probably don't need it for this particular entry field, but tooltips can be added to help operators enter valid data. Once completed, the form data is pushed to the database and can even be recalled, edited, or if enabled, locked to prevent editing. Another benefit of designing forms in Excel is that calculated values are as easy as writing a formula. In reports, manual entry data can be combined with any other data source. In this example, I compare side by side data from my historian with samples collected in the field. Providing a flexible solution to regulatory and operational reporting and connectivity to live data, process history, and manual entry, XLReporter is the complete package for water and wastewater treatment reporting. For more information, visit us online at www.scitech.com.